Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to try out this flash alert filters on Instagram. There are around 10 or 12 filter I'll be trying. Check out these videos to find out this effect. I'll be showing you the creator name also here. You can go to their profile and get this effects. So this is the first one. This is the creator name. You can go there and get this effect. First one. Yeah, you can switch the color here. Okay, this is the second one. Crystal, creator name is the Crystal. Okay, for this you have to press and hold the camera button. Okay, this is the third one. Okay, press and hold the record button. Okay, third one. Okay, this is the creator. Okay, fourth one. Press and hold the record button. Okay, fourth one and fifth one. This is the creator. Press and hold the record button. Okay, that was with red. Okay, this is with blue. Again, I think both are from the same creator. Press and hold the record button. Okay, almost similar. Let's try this one. Okay, this is the creator name. Let's try it. Okay, let's try this one from the same creator. Okay, flash warning. Okay, you can select what effect you want here and what color. Okay, let's do with zoom. Press and hold the record button. Okay, this is the creator for seat. Okay, press and hold the record button. Okay, this is the creator. Let's press. Okay, and this is the last one. Okay, you can tap on the screen here to change the color, whatever color you want. Okay, here there are music also, but I can't play music here because it might be a copyright strike. So you can choose the song here, then you can choose the color and press and hold the record button to use this filter. Okay, and if you are not getting the effect from here, from the creator profile, then what you can do, you can visit this website also. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. So here in this website you will see links to the filter are there. You can tap on the link and open it with Instagram likewise to get this effect. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.